Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're showcasing what we believe is the best purse caddy stand on the market, the Josmimic purse holder handbag display stand. Whether you're looking to elevate your boutique display or simply want to keep your handbags beautifully arranged at home, this stand checks all the boxes. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this product stand out. First off, let's talk about design. The Josmimic purse holder has a sleek, modern gold finish that immediately adds a touch of class to any setup. The minimalistic aesthetic isn't just for show, it's smartly engineered to enhance the look of your bags without distracting from them. Whether it's on a retail table, in your closet, or on your vanity, it blends right in while also standing out in the best way possible. Now, one of the key features that really impressed us is its adjustability. The hook height can be customized, which makes it suitable for bags of all lengths, from compact clutches to long-handled shoulder bags. You won't have to worry about your purse dragging or sagging. And here's the kicker, it's not just for purses. This versatile rack also works great for items like headphones, necklaces, hats, scarves, ties, and even seasonal decor like wreaths. One stand, multiple uses. Let's move on to build quality. Josmimic has gone the extra mile here. The stand is made of sturdy metal with a powder-coated matte finish. That means it's fingerprint resistant and super easy to wipe clean. Plus, the thickened metal base ensures stability, so even heavier bags up to 6 pounds stay upright without tipping over. There are also EVA pads at the bottom to protect your surfaces from scratches. Small detail, but very thoughtful. Assembly? No sweat. It comes with all the hardware and a clear instruction manual. In just a couple of minutes, you can have your stand ready without any tools beyond what's provided in the box. It's a plug-and-play kind of setup, just open, assemble, adjust, and you're good to go. What really makes this product shine is its space-saving vertical design. If you're tight on desk or shelf space, this is a dream. It keeps your bags standing tall and organized, freeing up room and removing clutter. Whether you're organizing your closet or setting up a vendor table at an event, the Josmimic stand is an elegant, practical solution. One particularly creative use for this stand we love, and you might too, is for hosting. Instead of guests piling their handbags on your couch or table, set up a few of these at the entryway. It keeps things tidy and shows you've thought of every detail. To sum it up, the Josmimic purse holder handbag display stand combines elegance, versatility, and practicality. It's thoughtfully designed, solidly built, easy to assemble, and multi-purpose. Whether you're a seller, a collector, a decorator, or simply someone who loves a neat and stylish space, this little stand is going to make a big difference. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more hands-on evaluations of everyday items that make life easier and more beautiful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.